Why you should go to bed hungry? You may go to bed hungry for several reasons. Some reasons, such as weight management, are by your own choice. Other reasons, such as a lack of access to food, aren't necessarily your choice. In general, stopping food consumption hours before bedtime is generally considered healthy as long as you are getting adequate nutrition and calories throughout the day. If you are hungry before bedtime and concerned you won't be able to fall asleep because of an empty stomach, there are many healthy foods you can eat at night. If you don't have consistent access to food, we provide links to resources that may help. Read on to learn more about whether it's okay to go to bed hungry, what some possible side effects might be, and foods that are okay to eat before bed. Is it okay to go to bed hungry? Going to bed hungry may be okay if you are meeting nutrition requirements on a daily basis or following a healthy weight loss plan. In many cases, a healthy eating schedule may result in you feeling hungry before bedtime. Here are some reasons you may go to bed feeling hungry, and whether or not this may indicate an underlying issue that you need to address. Following a healthy meal schedule. In general, a healthy eating schedule consists of 3 meals a day with small snacks between meals if needed. So depending on when you go to bed, eating a well-rounded diet that concludes with dinner in the early evening well before bedtime could result in you feeling a little bit hungry as you drift into dreamland hours later. Cutting back calories. You may fall asleep hungry if you are intentionally cutting back calories for weight loss. Make sure you are maintaining a well-balanced diet, even if you are following a more restrictive diet, such as a keto or vegan diet. This will ensure your nighttime hunger isn't a cause for concern. Some intermittent fasting diets dictate the times of day you can eat. This may result in you feeling hungry before or around bedtime if you go to bed during a fasting period. Not getting enough sleep. You may also feel hungry before bed because you are not getting enough sleep. Overtiredness can trigger the hormone ghrelin. This hormone spikes food cravings and the feeling of hunger. Another hormone called leptin can also be triggered by inadequate sleep and cause you to feel hungry even after eating a meal. Getting a healthy amount of sleep per night is essential to feeling less hungry when you go to bed. Undernutrition or malnutrition. Going to bed hungry may also be the sign of a more serious condition like malnutrition. Experiencing hunger at night because of a lack of nutrition and access to food is another issue entirely. Undernutrition is a type of malnutrition and is defined as consuming fewer than 1,800 calories a day, as well as lacking proper consumption of vitamins, minerals, and other essential components to a well-balanced diet. Prolonged undernutrition can contribute to slowed growth in children, as well as other health problems in adults and children. Are there side effects from going to bed hungry? Going to bed hungry may make you feel a sense of emptiness or dissatisfaction because you haven't satisfied your appetite. But it may be healthier to go to bed hungry than eat too close to bedtime. There are several side effects associated with eating right before bed. Eating after dinner or late at night can result in weight gain and in an increased body mass index (BMI). You may also experience indigestion or broken sleep if you eat or drink too close to bedtime. Your metabolism also slows as your body prepares for sleep, and you don't typically need additional calories. Several research studies have highlighted the risks of eating too close to bedtime. In 2013, study source found that eating within 4 hours of bedtime could result in eating more calories throughout the day. In 2014, study source found that the increased caloric intake from eating later in the evening and closer to bedtime may result in eating extra calories and gaining weight because you end up eating more times throughout the day. In 2017, study source found that eating closer to when your body begins to produce melatonin can result in an increased body fat percentage. Eating late at night may also contribute to indigestion and sleep problems. What should I eat before bed? You may feel hungry enough before bed that you need to eat a snack before turning out the lights. There are several healthy foods and eating habits you can choose that can encourage sleep while also avoiding sleep problems and an upset stomach. What to avoid before bedtime? Avoid food that will take a long time to digest, upset your stomach, or make it difficult to sleep. These may include food that is fried, spicy, sugary, greasy. Also, be careful about the beverages you consume before bedtime. Drinking too much of anything could lead to frequent bathroom visits during the night. Additionally, beverages containing alcohol or caffeine could make it more difficult to fall or stay asleep. The takeaway: going to bed hungry can be safe as long as you are eating a well-balanced diet throughout the day. Avoiding late-night snacks or meals can actually help avoid weight gain and an increased BMI. If you are so hungry that you can't go to bed, you can eat foods that are easy to digest and promote sleep. Stay away from large meals and spicy, sweet, or greasy foods before bedtime. Hunger at bedtime associated with malnutrition or overtiredness is problematic and should be addressed. And that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.